Okay, day 38. Let's start with this one right here. Start with the number line. We want to know which number represents point M. First, you're going to find and write the numbers for the tick marks. And second, you're going to count the intervals between the numbers. Number 2, and remember to pause as needed. It took Brenda 104 minutes to finish her homework. It took Ruby twice as long to finish her homework. How long did it take for Ruby to finish her homework? How many minutes? Number 3, find the product of 15 and 22. 15 times 22 equals. Remember, factor times factor equals product. And then number 4. The table shows the number of flowers that the flower boutique sold last year. Based on the table, which of the following is true? 7,436 more white than pink were sold. Or B, the difference between red and purple is 909.